this importation and you are thinking, what can I import with less than 100,000 naira? Or your budget in total is 50,000 naira, 60,000 naira. Looking for items that you can import with less amount and you can sell out and have a reasonable profit, this video is for you. So I'll be listing 5 items that you can sell with less than 50,000 naira, 60,000 naira, and you can sell it for a good amount and make a reasonable profit from these items. If you haven't watched my importation video, I'm going to be leaving the link above and I'm going to be leaving the link under this video. So go and watch how to import from China. It is a very easy tutorial. The item I'm going to be talking about is cute cups. You can get them from China for as less as 600, and you can sell, depends on your shipping cost, and you can sell it for your own price or the market price. You can get them for as little as 600 naira on 1688 from China. And so you should also know your target audience. I'm also going to be telling your target audience for these items. People that use these cups are girls, people that goes to the gym, girls that go to the gym, people that work in their offices, they like using cups like this, and people that work from home, they like using cups like this, and also content creators. It gives this aesthetically pleasing feel when you see this kind of cups. It gives this aesthetic look. So just know how to market. I'm going to be talking about is water bottles, cute water bottles. These water bottles you can get, there are different types, there are different prices. You can get these water bottles for as less as, I think, from 1,000 to 2,000 naira on 1688, and you can sell them for 8,000 naira, 10,000 naira, depending on how much vendors sell it out and depending on how much you imported this water bottle from China. I got like about 10 pieces and I sold it for 10,000 naira, only for me to go to some places and they were selling this water bottle 16,000 naira. I was like, what is it for water bottle? But people were still buying it because they know their target audience already. You should know the people that needs this item. You should know your target audience. I'm not saying that because of you know your target audience, you should be selling it in a ridiculous amount. Sell it in a moderate amount so that other people can also patronize you. So the third one I'm talking about is lashes. We all know who the target audience is, girls. People use cluster lashes more than lash extension because lash extension can literally remove all your natural lashes, but cluster lashes, you can use them when you want, you can remove them when you feel uncomfortable. And it can also last you for like 2 months. The palette can last you for over 2 months. It comes with the lash glue and everything. You can get it from the app for as less as 3,000 and you can sell it for your own price or the market price. So you should also know that there are different types of cluster lashes, there are different types of lashes, there are different calls and everything. I'm going to be making a different video for that, for the different types of cluster lashes. So if you know this, you will know the kind of lashes that you want to sell and the ones you want to import. The first one I'm going to be mentioning is jewelries, like bangles, necklaces and stuff like that. Yes, you can get it from Nigeria here, but there are some new designs of jewelries that are coming out. I'll be putting pictures up, explain. There are some new type of jewelries that are coming out, bangles that girls love to wear when they are going out, and it just gives them this feminine feel. So if you are if you are a girl and you are looking for a business to start in 2025, you should definitely jump on jewelries because it is something that is going to profit you in the long run. I saw a video of a lady that made over 5 million naira selling jewelries. I'm not saying that you can just start and you just get there once. You know, it's a process. You can start now and you can start seeing your customers. And from there you start making progress. So everything is about the effort you put into your work and everything. Mad profits from is kitchen utensils. Trust me, kitchen utensils is, you might look at like, okay, people don't really buy this stuff, but people actually really do. Like the spoons, those spoon sets that comes in different colors that are aesthetically pleasing, and plates. Like I said, China, you can get different varieties of things from China. You can start like a kitchen utensil business. You can buy the set of pots from China. If you want to ship through sea shipping, it is much more profitable for you than air shipping because, you know, pots are very heavy. Those ceramic pots, they are usually heavy, so it's better for you to use sea shipping. I'm just trying to explain this stuff. If you know that you want to go into a business model, but that one is going to cost you a lot, because I think set of pots you can get for as little as, you can see for some for 50,000 and 60,000, 70,000 for one set of pots. It's pots. But if you know that it's too much for you, you can get then the spoon set and other stuffs like that. It is a really profitable business. And yes, if you know that you want to make money from something, you have to spend money to make that money. Am I making sense? If you want to make good amount of money, like if you know that you are looking for big money, we are all looking for big money, but if you are looking for big money, then you have to invest big money in your business. You cannot just expect that as you are selling goods of 2,000 or 3,000 that you are going to get. Yes, you are, but it is going to be a process. Everything is a process. That is one thing you should know. You shouldn't rush. If I don't want to be a motivational speaker, but yeah, I know you get what I mean. So these are the 5 items that you should probably look onto. And the last item I'm going to talk about, the additional item I'm going to talk about, is skincare products like this Ordinary, Anua. They are all Korean brands. And Korea and China, they are Asian countries. They will sell to you these items at factory prices. So you can get these products for as less as 3,000 naira, 4,000 naira, 5,000 naira for this product. And imagine you are selling one for 15,000 naira. That is a huge amount. Okay, so these skincare products, they might look like, oh, it's not a lot. You can even ship them with little amounts. You can ship a lot of them with little amount, because they don't weigh too much. That is another item that you should definitely look into.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.